You're about to watch the Pauly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
All right, folks. Once again in Lapeer, and we're in front of a pizza place. It's called Hugo's Pizza, Subs, and More. Here it is. Right there. Hugo's Pizza, Subs, and More. We're gonna try some pizza from here. Just gonna be a pepperoni pizza, 6-piece. It costs $6.99. Why not? So I went in there, and the lady in there, she told me she was the owner, and this was a one-of-a-kind store. It was not part of it, or is not part of a chain. And you're looking at the front, and then when you go inside, there's no real dining area in there. And there was a bench seat, but they had plenty of beverages, including beer. I did not buy any. And here's your oven. It's a conveyor-type traditional pizza oven. The lady inside didn't really want me to record in there. I don't think she was happy about the cleanliness or something. She kind of looked around when I said that, like, no, probably not. But I appreciate the honesty. Now we're waiting for the pizza. So we're here in my winter truck, also known as Black Betty. Little lady's here with me, and we're both gonna have some of this pizza. It's a 6-piece, $6.99. It says pepperoni with cheese, and it's a round one. And I did ask her about this, and she did put some garlic butter parmesan on it, so I'm looking forward to this. Hugo's, as it's called, is a one-of-a-kind place. So pizza's hot, but we're gonna go for it. Okay, we're gonna dig in right now. Little lady, take your piece.
Oh,
I didn't know you sit there.
Nice.
Oh, let me get a picture before we indulge. Okay, got the picture. All right, little lady's got her piece. Don't say a thing yet, little lady. The lady even let me wash my hands inside there, because I went fishing a little bit. I don't know if you'll see that before this video or after, but yeah, I went fishing, Lake Nipissing, however you say it. Here we go. Nice hot crust. Got some brownage. It looked like it was a conveyor oven. I have to look at the picture I took. She didn't really want me to take a picture in there. She said they were doing some stuff. I wasn't worried about that. Here we go. Time to burn the roof of my mouth. What's your first impression, little lady?
Good.
Little lady says, good. They only gave us 2 napkins?
Yeah.
Oh. We got toilet paper down there. Very nice. Crust is good. Crust is thin. But it's not real floppy. The only reason why it's kind of floppy is kind of because it's so hot.
You're watching the Pauly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Pepperoni's cooked nice. Cheese has got this nice color of browning on it. Hugo's Pizza.
Very good. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
$6.99. 6 pieces. A little over $1 a piece. Pretty good. The lady even asked me how well did I want it cooked. I said, well, just cook it the way you always do. She said, okay. So this is their standard way of cooking it. If you want it cooked more, they will cook it more. If you want it cooked less, she'll do that too.
Very good. Pizza.
So for the Paulie Detmerd's pepperoni scale rating, I would have to give this a 3.9 pepperonis. Very good. Better than Domino's or almost any other fast food pizza places. I haven't had much of any fast food pizza places. I haven't had Hungry Howie's. I haven't had a lot of these fast food places, to be honest. But HUGO'S is better than those. Thank you for watching. Little lady thanks you too. And until next time, get your pizza on.